Prayer is easier than you think. Actually, raise your hand if you've ever felt like prayer has to be this perfect formal thing where you kneel for hours, use fancy words, and wait for some divine sign from the sky. Yeah, me too. But what if I told you that prayer is actually way simpler, like texting your best friend simple? And today I'm going to show you exactly how to pray without the pressure, the guilt, or the overthinking. Sound good? Let's go. The problem: why we overcomplicate prayer. Casual, like we're chatting over coffee. Here's the thing, most of us think prayer has to be this big formal production. We wait for the right time, the right words, or the right mood, and then we never actually do it, or we rush through it feeling guilty like we didn't do it right. But guess what? Prayer isn't about perfection, it's about connection. And the best part, God isn't keeping score. He just wants to hear from you, yes, even if it's messy, short, or in the middle of your crazy day. Pause, lean in. So, if you've ever thought, I don't know what to say, or I don't have time, I'm not spiritual enough, this video is for you. Because prayer, it's easier than you think. Here's how. The solution: 3 simple steps to stress-free prayer. Step 1. The 1-minute prayer rule. Just start. You don't need hours. Start with 1 minute. Literally, just say, hey God, it's me, here's what's on my heart. That's it. No fancy words, no pressure. Just talk like you would to a friend, because here's the secret. God isn't waiting for a perfect speech. He's waiting for you. Try it now. Pause and pray for 1 minute. Step 2. Pray where you are. No right place or time. You don't need a church pew or a sunset to pray. You can pray in traffic, while washing dishes, even in the shower. Prayer isn't about location, it's about posture of the heart. So, next time you're stressed, whisper a quick, God help me, that counts, I promise. Moses talked to God in a burning bush. You can talk to him in your PJs. Step 3. Listen without overthinking it. Prayer isn't just talking, it's listening. But here's the good news. God speaks in ways you might not expect. A sudden sense of peace, a Bible verse that stands out, a friend's encouraging text at the right time. You don't need to hear a booming voice. Just pay attention. He's already speaking. Try this now. Ask God one question, then pause for 10 seconds. See what comes to mind? That's prayer too. Closing encouragement. See? Prayer doesn't have to be complicated. It's just a real conversation with a God who loves you. No performance needed. So this week, try it. 1 minute, anywhere, and don't overthink it. You've got this. Drop A in the comments if you're going to try this, and if this video helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Let's make prayer simple again. See you next time.